keep you updated on the capital and financial markets. Here is a recap of what happened.
The Hong Kong Exchange and Clearing is developing an integrated platform to facilitate the sales process of locally registered retail funds in a bid to lower entry barriers into the industry, create more choice for investors, and bolster the city's standing as an international financial center. The board is working closely with the Hong Kong government, the Securities and Futures Commission and other stakeholders, and aims to finalize the design and development framework over the coming months. The platform, currently in development, will cover the full distribution cycle and value chain for retail funds in Hong Kong, helping to lower the barriers of entry to the industry and allowing market participants to better distribute fund products to their clients, the HKEX says in a statement on the 3rd of November. A different type of private retirement scheme, termed as the algorithm-based PRS, will be launched in the market to encourage Malaysians, especially the younger generation, to save early for retirement. Securities Commission Malaysia Chairman Datuk Seri Dr. Awang Adek Husing said the SC is expanding the PRS framework to allow existing PRS providers and digital investment managers to offer algo-based PRS, which will offer an alternative fund type structure. Algo-based PRS, also termed as ePRS, digital PRS, will also allow investors to make a smaller number of contributions to pre-approved model retirement portfolios. This accessibility will encourage young people to start retirement savings without feeling overwhelmed or financially stressed, he said when delivering his speech at the Forum on Improving Long-Term Retirement Planning and Savings Behavior. The country's unique biometric identity system, Aadhaar, covering 1.3 billion people, has made it easy to transfer money and perform authentication on third-party services. It also enabled lightning-speed financial inclusion. Today some 80% of adults have access to bank accounts, a milestone it would have otherwise taken until 2055 to hit. The result is an acceleration of Indian savings away from gold and real estate into financial products. There are now more than 100 million accounts that let people buy and sell stocks, triple the pre-pandemic number. Record contributions to mutual fund investment plans are supporting the Nifty 50 near all-time highs. However, it is also leading to what Ashish Gupta, Chief Investment Officer at Axis Bank's mutual fund, dubs the gamification of Indian equities. Indeed, many new investors are speculating instead of handing money to professional managers. Singapore had nearly 8% more fund management companies last year compared with 2021 as global and regional asset managers sought to use the Southeast Asian nation as a springboard to investment opportunities elsewhere. There were 1,194 licensed and registered fund management firms in the city-state at the end of 2022, up from 1,108 in the prior year, according to an annual survey by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, which notes continued interest from global and regional asset managers seeking to establish offices here to tap regional opportunities. Interest from global asset managers and sophisticated asset owners seeking to set up an office in Singapore remains strong, given the asset management ecosystem. MAS will continue to intermediate international capital flows to support Asia's growth and net zero transitional needs, the central bank and financial regulator says in the 2022 Asset Management Survey published on the 5th of November. It can be a tall order for a bank clerk, convincing people on the fly to make long-term financial plans, but Jing Minute has to do it at least twice a day. The pressure is on as China is prioritizing the long-term financial health of its rapidly aging population in a time of unprecedented demographic challenges. But 1 year into the rollout of a private pension fund that is being piloted in 36 cities before a national launch, the scheme is falling short of expectations due to low participation among the working-class public and poorly performing financial markets. And the vast majority of participants have been reluctant or unable to contribute the maximum amount allowed, suggesting that those who are convinced to sign up are doing so with caution. The latest e-Zine is now available for download at FIMM's official website. Download your copy today to keep up to date with what's going on in the industry.
FIMM is pleased to announce the release of its annual report 2022 with the theme, "In the Grand Scheme of Things." Visit FIMM's official website to download a digital copy. This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.